Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce pasta. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including your favorite pasta, milk, butter, and flour. Next, we will cook the pasta to perfection, ensuring it's al dente. Then, we'll create a rich, smooth white sauce from scratch. Finally, we'll combine these elements to create a delightful and easy meal that's perfect for any occasion. Let's get started by cooking your pasta. Begin by bringing a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Add a generous pinch of salt to enhance the flavor of your pasta. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions until it reaches an al dente texture, which means it's firm to the bite. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of the starchy pasta water. It's a secret ingredient for a smoother sauce. Now let's create that luscious white sauce. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a roux, cooking for about 1 minute. Gradually pour in 1 1/2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Continue to stir until the sauce thickens to your desired creamy consistency, which usually takes a few minutes. It's time to bring everything together for a truly satisfying dish. Add your cooked and drained pasta directly into the creamy white sauce. Stir in about 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese for extra flavor and richness. Season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite herbs like dried oregano or basil to taste. Serve your delicious white sauce pasta immediately and enjoy every warm, comforting bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.